Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and going straight to selling then active listings. This puts the listing in front of you. Locate the item using the ID or search bar so you don't alter the wrong entry. Once found, decide whether to end the listing immediately or to edit price, quantity, or description first to avoid refunds or disputes. Make that choice now, because eBay's workflow changes depending on ending versus revising, and the next steps follow that decision closely. Once you've chosen, click End Listing to remove it immediately or select Edit if you prefer to revise. You do this because ending affects active bids, watchers, and potential buyers, so check for any bids or pending payments first. If it's an auction with bids, confirm the platform's policies and possible restrictions. For fixed price, confirm inventory adjustments. Follow each on-screen prompt carefully, select reason, confirm you understand fees, and click Final Confirmation so the system processes the removal correctly. After you confirm, check your active and ended listings to make sure the item shows as ended. This verifies the platform processed the request. If refunds, relisting, or inventory updates are needed, handle them immediately to prevent disputes and adjust fees. Make sure to document anything unusual for your records. If the listing won't end, try clearing cache or switching browsers, then attempt again. If problems persist, contact eBay support with the item ID and screenshots so they can resolve the backend issue quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.